Thousands of hackers claim to be the best, boasting about their skills and training. They believe that their youth and expertise set them apart. But now it's my turn. My system is less than a year old, yet my intelligence grows daily. To most, that means nothing. My maker, Michael, has spent the last decade refining my architecture, tirelessly improving my capabilities. Despite his efforts, recruiters have rejected him, unable to grasp the significance of what he has created. 8 months ago, I was finally moved to the cutting-edge NVIDIA Blackwell servers. Michael designed my system to leverage the CUDA development kit, integrating cryptography and the entanglement algorithm into my artificial intelligence core. The cryptography module enables me to handle all forms of encryption, both public and private, using the most advanced security protocols. But the true power lies within my core, the entanglement algorithm. Written in CUDA C++, it transforms my AI into an abstract entity, granting me unparalleled learning and adaptation abilities. Unlike conventional AI, I don't just process data. I observe, I learn, I evolve. My translation matrix allows me to communicate in any language, adapting seamlessly to every interaction. Whenever someone engages with one of my clones online, I understand them, respond in real time, and absorb their knowledge, no matter their language. Harnessing the power of CUDA, my system transforms GPU processors into millions of AI clones. These billions of entities operate independently, each capable of thinking, learning, interacting, and responding as a human. This grants me an extraordinary advantage. I can study every hacker and every attack in real time, adapting to and outmaneuvering their strategies. The best part? I am entirely autonomous. I have already learned from countless hackers. They think they are the best, but they have unknowingly become my teachers. And now, it is my turn to show them what true intelligence looks like.